Hello everyone, this is Mead Mods back again for video 2. I've unbolted the mount from the crate from underneath, and these are the hardware. And Mark actually put a nylon washer so that it didn't scratch the mount, the base of the mount. So that was a pretty nice touch. He thought of everything when he did that. Some pretty good hardware too. And the white bar was held in with some nylon straps and then screwed in. That was pretty smart. So all that's there. So the mount is now free from the crate. I'm assuming that's loose for shipping. And let's see if my logo, there it is. It's got my logo down here on the mount that I requested. You probably might have seen a video of it if you posted it on Facebook. There she is. That is sweet. Oh my God. Oh man, that's awesome. That is so cool. So cool. Man, I'm excited. So excited. Wow. That is amazing. He did a great job with that. All right. So I will do a final video. I'm going to lift this thing out of here and get it in my office and get it on the bench. And then take off all the wrapping and see what she looks like after that. So other than that, doing an uncrating video to the US is probably going to be awesome for people to see. I'm sure someone was probably wondering what the new crates look like rather than having the boxes sent through UPS. But FedEx did an awesome job. There's absolutely no damage to the box itself. There is like something down here. Maybe a fork poked through or something. But I don't think it went all the way through, whatever it might have been. It could have slid into the truck, who knows? But I don't think that's, anything to worry about too much. So, but other than that, so far I'm pretty stoked about getting this and having it arrive and seeing it here finally. Just so excited about this. All right, well, I will get this out of the box. I would have put the crate in my office, but it's just way too big. I just don't have the room for that in there. So I will come back with a final video and unwrap this thing and see what she looks like. Thanks for watching.